Hello everyone, Linda Israel here, and I'm sharing with you a journal that I made for Carrie. She wanted a journal she could use the whole year long to record all of her craft projects. So the cover is a soft cover, and I've made it like Midori style so that the pages or journal inserts can come in and out of this. The fabric that I'm using is a batik fabric that is approximately 19.5 inches long by 9 inches tall. There are 12 inserts that are basically just shy of 8 1/4 by 5 1/4-ish wide. They hold 10 sheets of paper, including the covers, that will equal about 40 pages. She wanted it to be relatively simple. She didn't want a bunch of tuck spots and embellishments added, so I made the cover to have pockets, and then the journal itself has a pocket in the front. It's been sprayed with tattered angels. These are using my stencils. Then I've stamped it here and there with a few stamps. I'm using the Calico Collage Linda's Wisdom Planner Kit as well as Linda's Wisdom Journal Kit for this journal. And I just made it relatively simple so that she'll have plenty of room to write. She is a Christian lady and she likes, positive sayings and Bible verses. So that's some of the things that I chose to stamp on some of the pages. Again, like I said, I used lots of tattered angels glimmer mist on there. And I just love the way that this has turned out. Just giving her lots of writing space. This is a page out of a Bible, and I have a whole bunch of scrapbook paper that I haven't used up, but I need to. So I cut it into 4 by 6 pieces, and then this was strips left over from making the cover, and I decided to just sew that across the top, and then I sewed it on the pages. And here's something clever I did, is I also did the same thing on the other side, but how I did that was I made sure to line this piece up because I could look through the paper through the light, and got them lined up one on top of the other so that when I sewed, it sewed through both sides. More of this. Tattered Angels and the Calico Collage. This is the 1 month spread, and I put it dead center of each signature so that she could write special things on the calendar, if she will. There are no dates in this calendar, so she can choose to write what she wants, where she wants. Again, more stamping. But that's what I did for her. I just sat down, and it took me a little bit longer because of distractions and interruptions, but I finally got it finished, and I wanted to share with you what I made and inspire you. You can make your own little planner. So here's where this comes out. So there's 12 elastic bands that'll hold the pages in there. You can see it's rather chunky, and I love the little fibers hanging out. And then here's what the spine looks like. I just wove the elastic in and out until I got it all the way. And then it has a nice little tie that I put on here. I just made sure that this cover was wide as the pages. And then this wraps around. And I made the tie long enough that if she ends up adding more papers to this, there's still enough room to help cover that. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing my little journal that I made for her. I hope she enjoys using it. I made one for her last year. This is a different style, and so I know that she'll enjoy writing in it every single day. All right, everybody, I'm getting off here. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell at the top. Know that every Monday at 3:45 p.m. I do a live stream on YouTube at Central Standard Time. And let's see, if you haven't give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Doesn't matter. It all counts towards me as good. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments. And of course, check out my social media like Patreon and my website, lindaisrael.com, my Facebook groups, and Twitter, Instagram, all of those social medias as well. All right, everybody. Have a fabulous day. Thanks for watching. Bye. Love you lots.